The number one cause of failure for buried utility cables is mechanical damage. Running cable and conduit is one solution, but it gets costly over the long term. Self-healing utility cables are a more cost-effective solution for buried cables, but working with them can be a headache, a hassle, and a huge mess. The sealants in these cables can get so sticky you can't even touch them without getting it all over you, let alone inspect them to find the damage. It can ruin your favorite tools, and whatever you do, don't get any on your gear or anything else you don't want to ruin. Fortunately, there's Prysmian low-voltage cables with our innovative SuperSeal self-healing technology. It makes protecting buried installations and preventing damage easier and cleaner than ever. SuperSeal is a patented self-repairing compound that repairs mechanical insulation damage that can cause secondary cable failure without all the problems of handling a typical self-healing cable. SuperSeal is highly cohesive and viscous, so only a small amount exudes from the cable ends. Even in cold weather, it still flows easily to repair damaged cables. Prysmian SuperSeal cables can be installed just like any other standard ruggedized cable, using your everyday tools and with no extra steps. Best of all, Prysmian SuperSeal is the cleanest self-healing cable available today. Cut it, strip it, splice it, and more without ruining your gear or tools. If you've sworn off self-healing cable, it's time to take a look at Prysmian SuperSeal. Not only is it less mess for you and your team, it's also more effective and efficient to prevent failures and power loss. Visit na.prysmian.com/superseal or talk to a Prysmian representative today to learn more about the better option for self-healing utility cables, Prysmian SuperSeal.